Hi! In front of me is Huawei MatePad SE, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this tablet. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Now click on About Tablet. As you can see, all specifications are over here. If you wish to access more, just click on one of those sections. For example, in order to find your serial number, tap on Status. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!